So I'm gonna make some gravy, and I use basically 3 ingredients: extra virgin olive oil, some flour, preferably unbleached, and a hard spoon so I can stir in my pan. And as you can see, I just filled the bottom of my pan with some oil. Put in, come closer, Cam, some flour and about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of flour, and I'm gonna stir that. I'm going to put a little bit of ground black pepper in there because that to me kind of browns my gravy a little bit faster, and you just want to keep stirring so you can prevent lumps. As you can see, my gravy is browning. Look at that brown, you guys, and stir it up so you help prevent lumps. And I'm going to add about a 6-ounce cup of water. You can see my gravy is thickening too. And I'm going to add a little season. This is where you just kind of season it. So I add some sea salt, Morton's Fine sea salt, my ground black pepper. You can add that, and you can see my ingredients again here, you guys. So I like to do 5 or less. Look at this gravy, how it's bubbling up. You can turn it down, but you would just season to taste. And there's my gravy, brown one. See, look how creamy that is, you guys. And just add water if you notice it's thicker. And there you go.